Happy morning to you, my dear students. Very happy morning to you all. And now we are going to learn a value education lesson. Okay. So after your first periodical, all set for your new value education lesson. So look at this picture. And what is the question teacher has put up over there? Do you spend time and money to make your friends happy? You see in this picture, the children, they are playing with each other. They are spending time with each other. Yes? So do you do that? Do you spend time with all your friends and make them happy? Or at times when your friend is crying, do you take time to ask your friend what happened? Why is he upset? Do you care for that? Do you take time to ask your friend what happened? You should do it. The same way, here you can see this little girl. She fell down. But the boy, that other child, her friend, comes forward and gives a helping hand. That is caring. That is spending a quality time with your friends as well as people around you. So make sure you care for the people around you. Caring is spending time and taking care how they feel. So here you can see this little child. He is playing, talking, laughing with his grandfather, and that makes his grandfather also happy. The same way this little girl gives a sweet kiss to her grandmother. Yes, that is caring. It could be very small act, but that small good deeds give lots of happiness. It's very simple to sit and play with your grandfather or to give a kiss to your grandmother. Very small act. But that small good deeds gives lot of happiness. So if you care for people, what will you do? You love them, you care them. What should you do? Spend time with them. Okay, talk to them, play with them, laugh with them. And there's one such person, yes, who cared, who loved the poor and the needy. Not just her friends or relatives or her near and dear ones. She cared for the poor people, the sick, the needy person. You know who is that person? Yes. Now look at this picture again. Here also you see how this girl cares for the girl who cannot get up from the wheelchair. But she comes, sits beside her and spends time talking to her. This boy is upset. Her sister, a friend comes and asks what happened. So caring is sharing, not only during good times like birthday you all care and share, you take gift, you wish your friend. It's not just caring during good times, but also at times when your friends are sad, upset. And as I told you, the one person who did so for everybody, a person who cared for the poor, the needy and the sick. And we are going to learn about that person. She is none other than our Mother Teresa. Okay, so in today's value education lesson, lesson number 3, we are going to learn about this great personality, Mother Teresa, who was such a loving, caring and sharing person. She cared for the poor, the needy and the sick people. And the value she portrayed is a value of modesty. That is not showing off, but being very humble. Humble about your ability to do service to the people around you. Okay, so I will be showing this story through a video. Let's have a look at the video. So students, let's watch the video.
Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was very kind. She made everyone feel very special. There was an elderly his life. He had no money. He was not cared for by anyone. Nobody even looked at him to see if he needed.
Okay, so this is the old. So you see that the old man was having lot of problem. What was the problem? Nobody was there to take care of him and he was left all alone. No one to care and look after him.
Did something. His home was dirty and clothes unclean. One day he met Mother Teresa. She asked him, "Please, let me clean your house, wash your clothes and make your bed." The old man answered, "I am fine like this. Nobody comes to see me." Mother.
So, who came forward to care for him? Mother Teresa. And she said, "Let me clean your room. Let me help you out. Let me make your room clean and look after you." He said, "Let it be. There is no one coming. Nobody comes to see me, visit me. So, it's okay." But see, she cares for him. So, what she does for him?
"You will feel much better if you will let me clean the house and wash your clothes." The old man finally allowed Mother Teresa to do so. She washed his clothes. When she was cleaning his house, she found a beautiful lamp. The lamp was covered with dust. Mother Teresa asked him, "Why don't you light your lamp?" The old man answered, "No one comes to meet me. Nobody."
Okay. So, as she was cleaning his room, she washed his clothes. She was cleaning the room. She found a old lamp covered with dust. So, she asked the old man, "Why you are not lighting this lamp?" And what did the old man say? "Because nobody comes to visit me. I am alone here. So, I am not making use of the lamp."
Nobody visits me. Tell me, why should I light it? For whom should I light it? Mother Teresa asked, "Would you like to light it every night if the sisters came just to see you and talk to you?" He replied, "Yes, of course." From that day, the sisters made it their duty to visit him every evening. Few years.
So, what did she do? She told him, "Would you light the lamp if the sisters come to meet you every day?" And he said, "Yes, of course, I will do it." And from that day onwards, sisters used to come every day to meet him, and this old man took the trouble to light the lamp. And that made difference in his life, because he is looking forward for someone to come and meet him. And he knows someone cares enough to come and ask him how he is. So, he is happy to light the lamp. Let's see what this small deed did, what difference it brought in the life of that old man. Let's watch.
Years went by. Mother Teresa was busy with her service towards humanity. But the old man remembered her very fondly. He sent a message. "Tell my friend that the light she lit in my life continues to shine still." We can do such small things to make people feel good and special. Small deeds.
So, what happened then? Mother Teresa continued with her work. She went on to do many more services. But this old man remembered her that little good deed. And he sent a message through sisters to her that the light that she lit for in his life continues even today. He is happy because of that small good deed that she did to him. So remember, we can do such small things to make people feel good, special, and these small deeds.
Everybody happy for long. It is a caring attitude, a bit of extra work, and not money that makes a difference to our lives.
So remember, it's that little caring attitude. As I showed in the picture, a little kiss to your grandmother, a little compliment to your mama. Mama, thank you, you made a lovely breakfast. Those little caring attitude, it is that little extra work, the little caring attitude that brings difference, that brings happiness to others. It's not just money, or it's not money at all that makes the difference. Okay, so you have learned the value of being modest, being caring and sharing to others. Okay students, so having seen the video, I am sure you will all make a plan of action, and that we are going to do it in action. What we are going to act upon? I will always take care of my family members. So from today onwards, make sure that you care for those little things for your parents, for your grandparents and brothers. I will always help people around me. Need not be big help, little help. That is enough to make people feel special. I will keep my things in place. So you can begin with the first act. Little thing like keeping your books, your toys, your things in place. That is caring for your mom or for the maid who comes to do that work, because you are doing that little work and that reduces the work of the other person. That makes the other person feel happy. So students, in your textbook on page 13, you have this little activities. Okay, put tick in the box where the statement is true and cross if the statement is false. So let's do it together. Textbook page number 13. I care when people cry. When someone cries, will you go and inquire what happened and care for that person? Yes. I enjoy teasing street animals. You throw stones, you kick the puppy on the road. No. Will you do that? That is not caring. So put cross mark. Next, think and say it, you do it yourself. I take care of my family members when they are sick, especially when they are not well. Take good care of them. Give them what they want. Yes. Next, I laugh at people, making fun of people, laughing at people. Is it being caring? No. So that's a wrong. Okay. I take care of plants. You have plants around. Do you pluck them, break them? No. You take care and don't hurt them. That also is caring. Even if it's a small deed, it's a great, because it brings happiness to everyone around. So my commitment. So now that you know your plan of action, you already saw just now the plan of action, that what you are going to act to make people happy and feel cared about. So you write those plan of action in your commitment. You can add extra also. Children, I am also sending you the notes. Where will you write the notes? In your notebook. So kindly copy the given notes in your value education notebook, and you will write the lesson number, name, and then write the question and answer. So let me read out the notes to you. Why did the old man live in a dirty place and he stay unclean? Why? Why he was not keeping himself clean? The old man lived in a dirty place and stayed unclean because, yes, because he had no money. Yes, that is one reason. He was not cared for by anyone. There was nobody who cared to ask him why you are not keeping yourself clean, why you are not keeping your room tidy. Nobody even looked at him, nobody visited him, nobody looked at him to see if he needed something. Okay, next one. Why didn't the old man light the lamp? There was such a beautiful lamp in his house. Why he did not light it? The old man did not light the lamp because no one ever came to meet him. How much money did Mother Teresa spend? Did Mother Teresa give him thousands and lakhs of rupees, making the old man happy? Did she give money to make him happy? Think. You watched this video, no? No, she didn't spend money. Then what did she spend? Mother Teresa did not spend any money to make the old man happy. Instead, she spent some time cleaning and caring for him. How frequently did sisters visit the old man? You can also visit people whom you want to care for. And how often the sisters visited? Sisters visited the old man every evening, and that made him very happy. So, you will copy these notes neatly in your value education notebook. So, students, I hope you will practice this value of modesty and remain caring and sharing to people around you. Happy learning. God bless you all.